In this video, I'm going to show you how to motion track in Kapwing. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is add a video which we want to motion track. So over here, I just have a person speaking to the camera, and as you can see, he's moving a bit, and we're going to motion track something right now using keyframes, which is the easiest way to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to add something that you would like to actually motion track. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some text. I'm going to do sample text, and I'm going to change this into hello, for example, and then I'm going to go down here at the bottom where you can see the timeline, and I'm going to drag this across the entire video like this, so the full 12 seconds, and then I'm going to go to the beginning here, and I'm going to start by actually positioning this text exactly on his forehead, okay? So we're going to just basically motion track this hello text on his forehead, just for an example over here. Now, when you do that, the first thing you have to do is basically select whatever you want to motion track. So I'm going to select my text here, and then you want to go to the right hand side here where it says adjust. Click on adjust, and then over here you'll be able to see under position there's kind of this icon which says add keyframe. Now position your thing, whatever you want to motion track, at the first spot, so the first frame, wherever you want it to start, and then click on this keyframe, and for the first time there's going to be a box pop up on your screen. You can just click on OK when it shows, and then from here you now can start playing your video. So I'm going to play it, and whenever I want this to move, I can just simply move it on the screen. So you'll be able to see, there we go. For example, now I want to move this. I'm going to go down and I'm going to move it to the middle, and as you can see, a new keyframe will be created. Now, of course, you could go frame by frame. So of course you could do like frame by frame by just clicking your arrow keys on your keyboard and then changing it that way, which is going to be a lot more precise. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to do it kind of roughly. So here I can just, for example, reposition now, press spacebar to play again. Okay, now it's fallen out. I want to go back here, there we go, and then back again, and then just keep on pressing spacebar, and whenever it moves out, just basically correct it, and it's automatically creating these keyframes over here, like you can see on your screen. And whenever you basically come to the end, you can just stop and play the video and see what that looks like. So over here, for example, I'm going to stop after a few seconds. Okay, let's say that's now cool. And if I now go ahead and play this video, as you can see, this is now motion tracking in the middle of his forehead, roughly. Okay, of course, I could go much more into detail, but I just wanted it to be like rough so you can see how this works. But that's essentially how to motion track. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.